have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you're going to meet, who you're going to meet, who you're going to meet.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today's video is very much needed. I'm going to be doing a spring closet clean out. My closet is a literal mess, and I just got a bunch of new clothes from Yes Style, and I did a whole spring Yes Style haul. So if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. I literally just posted it yesterday, so I'll pop it up on the screen and over here so you guys can just click and watch after the video, and I'll also link it in the description in case you missed it. It was a really good haul. I really liked how it turned out. It took so much time to edit and make it all nice, so I would appreciate if you guys leave a like and a comment on that video as well. So yeah, my closet is a mess. Not only that, I'm going to be transitioning my clothes because I have all of my springish summery clothes in the little storage basket, not basket, just like a storage bin that zips. So I have all of that in the far left side, so it's really hard to reach and it's zipped up. So I just need to really go through and actually donate the clothes that I'm not wearing and really take a look at every piece. It's so hard for me to also get rid of some stuff because I'm always like, oh my gosh, I forgot I had this, like this will be cute with this and this and this and this, and I'm just like, I never end up wearing it. So I really need to donate some clothes today and just do a little swap of like my sweatshirts and stuff that I don't wear often are now going to go off to the other side because the weather's getting nicer. I'm still going to leave probably a couple of like my most frequently worn sweaters. Also, like my zip ups are hanging from Amazon that I always wear, so those are still going to stay there because I live in those, especially it's just quick to throw on, but everything else will be swapped. And we're just going to reorganize because everything is a mess, wrinkled, crumpled up, and it's just like the perfect time for me to do it because I don't have class until later on today. So yeah, we're just going to get into the video. I need to like refold everything, and it's just going to be a massive clean out. I'll probably just be listening to music or watching YouTube on the TV to get through this. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope this motivates you to go clean your closet and do a little spring closet clean out. I mean, like, are you kidding me? Another mess. And even more of a mess up there.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything.
I just took down the main section, like where you first open it, where like my pants are, because I like to work as I go. I almost dropped my ring. I like to work as I go and like fold as I go, organize, because if I do it all at the end with everything, it's a lot. So bits and pieces. These are basically all of my jeans, my pants just in general, not my shorts because that's over there, and my work clothes and some sweaters. So let's go through this.
You're gone now, will you call me back? Yeah, I know that, yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down.
I decided to put a headband on because my baby hairs were driving me crazy. And progress? Not really. I only have one item so far that I'm donating, which is these white jeans that, number one, I have not worn. Number two, the style of them is just not me. Anyways, so right now I moved on to the rest of the right side, which was all my hoodies. My hand is like itchy. Yeah, all of my hoodies basically, and I had some other like little tank tops mixed in. I'm definitely donating this sweatshirt well to that pile.
That you'll come home to me once you try.
Please send help. I have a serious issue.
Be your destination.
Okay, I'm listening to music, but I'm halfway done. I need to do my little box, and then now I'm going to the next side, which is all of my shirts, some short sleeve and some long sleeve, and then it's my like mostly like summery stuff in the little bin, and I have like my hats and like stuff like that, just so I need to go through it. Also like my workout stuff, and I've been like trying to look for this little crop tank top that I thought I knew where it was, so at least now it's giving me the chance to find it. So if you know, you know, like when you're looking for something, it gets so irritating, especially if your closet is messy and you can't find it. It's like, oh my gosh, like that gets me so mad. So yeah, my bed is basically filled, so I need to start slowly putting things back, and then I have class later. Everything is out minus the Zippa bag. It's hard to get. I need to get a different chair to help me go up and get it, because it's like all the way to the left and like it hurts my arm to try to go. So I need to get the other chair. I have so much socks and stuff in this, so I need to think of a different system because it just is so much. And because that's like the mini box that has like my sports bras, like my underclothes and stuff like that. So I might put it in like a mesh bag as well, and that'll take up less room in the actual box. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do some donations, have a baggie, and I need to just start putting things back in their places. Also, I took my hair down because it's just bothering me. And so this is how I set up my closet. It's not the best folded, it's not the biggest space. So I just quickly showed you guys just the progress. So my pants are still in the same location. Nothing really changed except for the fact that I swapped and everything is more folded. I did have a bag of donations that I'm going to be making. I'll probably drop that off tomorrow before I go to work. In the middle, it's way neater though. I added more socks. Actually, I've been putting some socks in my Alex drawer so that when I wake up, I put socks on anyways and it's just easier. I don't have to go in my closet. I just have socks in my Alex drawer, so that made it a little bit neater. in that area, and I put all of like my underclothes in a mesh bag so I can just pull from there, and I don't have them just like all scattered because my socks are also in there and also sports bras. I also put like my workout stuff, and then all on the right side is like all my little tank tops, all my summery tops, shorts. Some jeans are actually a little bit up there, like more of like my denim mom jean stuff that I can wear for summer. And then I still have my sweats up top, my work clothes, my PJs, some short sleeves, some long sleeves, because I don't put my long sleeves with my hoodies. All of my hoodies are in that little bin because it's kind of like not suction, but it all closes. Because with hoodies, if you try to fold them and stack them, they'll tilt, they'll do all sort of things, and it's not it. Oh yeah, my closet is now nice and fresh and clean for the time being. Hopefully it stays this way. But I just feel like more at ease, and I feel like that was definitely something that was kind of overwhelming me. Just, you know, you need to have a good clean space, and I feel like that was just like something that in the back of my mind I just needed to get done. So if you haven't done your spring cleaning, spring closet clean out, now's the time to get motivated to do so. I just took the day to just get it done. If you don't have class or anything, just take some time to do that, and then donate some of your clothes that you don't wear, and just be real with yourself because it's hard, but I had to do it too. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys all in my next video.